Words of wisdom from Wisconsin. Hi there, it's ML with ML's Words of Wisdom from Wisconsin. And today's little mini show is a trip down yesteryear. It's a flashback to olden times. So if you are a youngster and you don't know what the Sam Hill I'm talking about, gather around yonder. I'll give you a minute. Okay, all right, let's go see what I'm talking about. It's an old-fashioned telephone booth. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen one of these in like maybe 30, 40 years. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Come closer, come closer. I'm going to show you how it works. First of all, you get inside. Well, you can't hear me, so let me show you with it open, okay? Now, you put in a dime, except this one is 50 cents. It used to be a dime, okay. And then you put the dime in. You go like that, and you dial the number and the person answers. So it's really a lot of fun. This is like old school. This is old school. Hello? I didn't call you. Why are you calling me? Who is this? Are you trying to scam me? They said they were coming to get me. Maybe it's haunted. Getting out of here.